Hello children, welcome back to math class. Today we are going to discuss about the second chapter, that is polynomials. Let us begin with the basic concepts. Yes. I'm going to explain some basic concepts, children. Constants, constant, variables. What do you mean by constant? It's something fixed value, okay? For example, what is the value of 2? So we say the value is 2 itself, right? No, 4, 10, 100. So all these numbers are having definite value. The values will not change anywhere, right? No. So the value of 4 is 4 itself. The value is 10, 10 itself. So ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ change ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 10 will not become 20 or 100 ಅಲ್ವಾ? They have fixed value. Okay, they have fixed value. That's why these are called constants. Okay, they have fixed value or called constant. What are variables? Okay, it's something that can change. Okay, so for example, X, L, M, A. So we use small alphabets, children. So they are called variable. Why these are called variables? What is the value of X? I'll say X is equal to 1. Okay, I can say X is equal to 100 or it is 1000. Okay, so they don't have definite value. Okay, they don't have fixed value like constants. You can assign any value for that. Okay, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. The values keeps changing. Okay, vary ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That's why these are called variables. Understood? Next one. What is algebraic expressions? It is a combination of both constants and variables. Okay, combination of both constants and variables, which are connected by all the operations. Those are plus, minus, into, divided by. Okay children, combination. Now expression ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we use both constants and variables. Numbers use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮತ್ತೆ variables use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ we use mathematical operations, plus, minus, into, division signs na use ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. Those are called algebraic expressions. Okay children. And one more thing, terms are separated only by plus or minus signs. So already I have told you in the previous classes while doing the sums. For example, x plus 2, y minus 3, 2 into x, 5x divided by 3. So here, how many terms are we are seeing in the expression? There are 2 terms. Okay, x is one term, 2 is another term, because here plus sign is separating the terms, children. Plus sign ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, x ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ನ separate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay, here also minus sign ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, y ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ನ separate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So if you come to the third one, here we have multiplication sign. Okay, how many terms are here? Are there two terms or one term? Okay, yes, it is one term. Okay, already I have told you only minus and plus signs separate the terms. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 into x ಅಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 2x ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. So it will become a single term. Okay, children. So how can you write 5x by 3? Again, it becomes single term. Okay, one term. So here two terms. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು two terms ನ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Okay, keep it in your mind. Terms are separated only by plus or minus signs. What is a polynomial? So already you know the types of expressions, right? No, monomial, binomial, monomial. For example, 2x. How many terms are there? One term. Okay, this is what? Monomial. Okay, monomial. And 2x plus 5. How many terms are here? 2x is one term and 5 is another term. There are two terms are there. Okay, number of terms. 2. So it is called binomial. Binomial. 2x plus 5y plus 3. So here we see three terms. It is called trinomial. Okay, children. So what is polynomial? Okay. The expression which has one or more than one term. The expression which has one or more than one term. Okay, those are called polynomials, children. In an algebraic expression, if the power of the variable or so polynomial ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪವರ್ ಇರತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ x square or 5y cube. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಪವರ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್. 2 is exponent, 3 is exponent or ಪವರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರಬಾರ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ powers of the variables are non-negative integers. ಅಂದ್ರೆ whole numbers ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? In an algebraic expression, if powers of the variables are non-negative integers or whole numbers, then it is a polynomial. Okay. Exponent should not be negative or fraction. Next, let us see the degree of the polynomial. Degree is nothing but, children. So ನಾವು ಪವರ್ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಪವರ್ ನಾವು ಪವರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿನ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ x square plus 5. What is degree here? It is 2. 2x plus 6. What is power of x here? It is 1. Okay, 5y cube plus 10. What is the power of the variable here? 3. Okay, 10y to the power of 4 plus 20. What is the power of the variable y? That is 4. Okay, So here it is called degree of the polynomial anta helteve. Degree anta helte. These are called degrees. Okay, degree andre exponents. Okay, children. So what is degree of polynomial? Degree of the polynomial antandre. So degree is nothing but power anta ಹೇಳ್ದೆ. Degree of the polynomial. Degree of polynomial ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Degree of the polynomial ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the highest power of the variable is the degree of the polynomial. Okay, children. For example, what is the degree of the first equation? It is 2. Highest degree is 2 ಇದೆ. So degree of the polynomial ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ each one has different names. Okay, highest power 2 ಇದೆ. What is highest power here? 1. Highest power is 3. Highest power is 4. Okay, I'll go to the next page. Degree of the polynomial. So you have sums in exercises. We'll see that later. For example, if the degree is 1, so 2x plus 5. X the power ಏನಿದೆ degree ಏನಿದೆ 1. Highest power is 1. So ಆ ತರ 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? It is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. If the highest power of the equation, if the highest power of the variable is 1, then the expression is called linear polynomial. For example, if the degree is 2, highest degree is 2, 3x square plus 5x plus 1. So here degree is 2, it is 1. Highest, ಯಾವ variable the highest degree ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪವರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 2 ಇದೆ. Highest degree is 2. So now it is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Next, if the degree is 3, for example 5y cube plus 2y square plus y minus 10. Okay, so here the degree is power is 1, 2, 3. Then highest degree is 3. These equations are called cubic polynomial. Okay, children. Next, if it is 4, then it is called, if there is m to the power of 4, 5 m square, like that. Okay, so highest degree is 4. It is called biquadratic polynomial. Understood, children? If the highest degree is 1, then it is linear polynomial. If it is 2, quadratic polynomial. If it is 3, cubic polynomial. 4 idre biquadratic polynomial anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. If degree is 0, then it is called constant polynomial. Okay, polynomial. For example, ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೀ 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, if there is no any variable, how can you write this? 2 into x to the power of 4 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Okay, ಬರೀ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ we can write it as 2 x to the power of 0. What is the value of x to the power of 0? It is 1. Okay, children? Exponent power is 0 ಅಂತಂದಾಗ value ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ so this is called constant polynomial next one is 0 of polynomial 0 of polynomials okay take an expression p of x is equal to 2x minus 4. P anta yak tagoltivi andre polynomial anta. Okay. P is nothing but polynomial. P of x is equal to 2x minus 4. This is an equation, expression antave. So, illi 0 of polynomial antandre. So, the value of x which makes the polynomial 0. The value of x which makes the polynomial 0 okay so nimge x ge yav value substitute madidre nimge 0 barutte answer so adanna navu enanteve the value makes the polynomial adakke navu 0 of the polynomial anta helteve for example now you have 2x minus 4 alva so x place alli yav value haktira for example 1 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಓಕೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 into x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ minus 4 that is equal to 2 into 1 is 2 minus 4 so answer ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus 2 now we are not getting 0 ಅಲ್ವಾ so we'll go to the next one 2 into x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 2 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಓಕೆ minus 4 that is equal to 2 2s are 4 minus 4 that is equal to 0 so 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ so ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ನಮಗೆ 0 ಬಂತು when x is 2 okay na children the value of x which makes the polynomial 0 ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ that the value 2 makes the polynomial 0 okay 0 polynomial anta helteve yes monomial see here monomial has only one term see 5 comma m square minus 5p a by b alva idella single terms binomial andre two terms m plus 3 ide m is one term 3 is another term binomial trinomial polynomial ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ containing more than one term one or ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ನಾವು polynomials ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ okay what is the condition exponent of the variable cannot be negative or fraction okay negative number ಬರಬಾರದು ಮತ್ತೆ fraction ಬರಬಾರದು yes let us move on to the exercise 2.1 which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not okay state reasons for your answer one variable anta kelta idvi yav expression alli namge onde variable nodtivi okay first one is 4x square minus 3x plus 7 okay so which are the variables here children in the equation we are saying only x alva so x matra ide variable x ide so we can say the expression is a polynomial in one variable okay next come to the second one y square plus root 2 So how many variables are here? Y. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು variable ಇದೆ. ಅದು y ಇದೆ. Since y is the only variable is given in the equation, so ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? ಅದು whole number 2 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? If it is negative number, it is not a polynomial. 2 ಇದೆ, so it is polynomial in one variable. Next, come to the third one. 3 root 2. 3 root t plus t into root 2, children. Okay. See the first term here. 3 square root of t is there. Square root of t is nothing but what? T to the power of 1 by 2 barta ide. Alva. So, what is the condition? It should not be a fraction form. Alva. So, t square root of t antandre, it is not a polynomial. Okay. We can say that expression 3 root t plus t root 2 is not a polynomial in one variable. Next one, y plus 2 by y. Okay, so first term is y. It is okay. The degree is 1. Okay, whole number is there. If you see, come to the second term, that is 2 by y. 2 by y andre, if you bring y to numerator, now y na numerator ge tandre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Y to the power of -1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? It is in denominator. If you bring it into numerator, it will become y to the power of -1 alva. So we are getting negative exponent or negative power, so it is not a polynomial. Next, x to the power of 10, y to the power of 3 plus t to the power of 50. See how many variables we are seeing in the equation. There are 3 variables. X is one variable, y, t. So 3 variables are there in the expression. So it is not a polynomial in one variable. Okay, or one variable allirodu maatra kelta idare. So there are 3 variables. It is not a polynomial in one variable. Next, to write second one, write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. Yes, what do you have to write for coefficient, children? Illi ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x square anta they have mentioned x square here alva. Just you see only the term x square. What is there behind x square or numerical ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? x square hingade in numerical or constant ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? That is what its coefficient. Okay, x ಜೊತೆ ಏನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು coefficient ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. See the first one, 2 plus x square plus x. Okay, so where is x square? It is second term, right? No, x square plus x. X square behind x square, which constant is there? Okay, if you know already, if there is no any number, there will be 1 anta alva. So coefficient of x square en baribodu 1. See one more thing, if there is minus sign next sum ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ plus minus sign ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. Okay, yes, 2 plus x square plus x. So x square illide. What is coefficient of x square? So here there is no any number and then you can write 1 alva. So what is the answer? 1. Coefficients. Come to the second one. 2 minus x square plus x cube. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x square coefficient ಏನಿದೆ? There is no any number. I will write 1. So coefficient is, so here you are having minus sign. Alba, we have minus sign in the equation. So minus 1 is the coefficient. Okay, children. If there is minus sign, you should consider the minus sign. Next one, pi by 2 x square plus x. Okay. So where is x square? Yes, it is here. What is coefficient of x square? What is there behind x square? Pi by 2 is there. That is the coefficient. Okay, pi by 2. Next, third one is, fourth one, square root of 2x minus 1. Okay, children. So here, if you see the equation, we don't have x squared term here, right? No, there is no x squared term. So I will write 0. Okay. Yes, next. Give one example for binomial of degree 35. Binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. Okay. Degree 100. Already you know what is binomial and what is monomial. Okay. Binomial means you have to write two terms, right? No. For example, I will write 2x to the power of binomial of degree 35. Degree 35 means you have to write 35. You can write any number, children, no problem. You can take any numeric constant and variable, but you should write 35 as degree. That's it. Okay. ಯಾವುದೇ terms ತಗೋಬಹುದು, no problem. ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 35 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So here we are having two terms. So it is binomial. 2x to the x to the power of 35 minus 5. And monomial. So ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 100. So you can write 5m to the power of 100. So it is single term. That is monomial. Next one is write the degree of the polynomials. Already I have told you what is degree, right? No. So degree, highest degree of the polynomial, 5x cube plus 4x square plus, so degree of the polynomial. So what is highest? So in all the terms there is x, right? No, x the ella terms allo. So just see the power. If there is no any power, children, you can write 1. Okay, not 0, 1 baribodu. Here it is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so the degree is 3. Next one, 4 minus y square. What is the degree of the polynomial here? What is the power of y? Highest power is 2. So it is 2. 5t minus root 7. So which is the variable here? T. What is power of the variable? Yes, it is 1. 3. So there is no any variable here. 3 there is only constant. So you can write x to the power of 0. Okay, so what is the degree of the variable ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, 0 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. There is only constant ಅಲ್ವಾ, constant ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ, there is no variable. So you can write x to the power of 0 or a to the power of 0. ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೆಯುವ, power 0 ಇದ್ರೆ value is 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So degree is 0. Next, fifth main. So you have to classify linear, quadratic, cubic polynomials. Okay. First one is x square plus x. Okay. X square means degree is 2. So it is which polynomial it is? Quadratic. I am writing here, children. So table ಹಾಕಿ ಬರ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. So power ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, highest power 2 ಇದೆ. So it is quadratic polynomial. Next one is x minus x cube. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ, x minus x cube. So it belongs to cubic polynomial ಅಲ್ವಾ, x minus x cube. So the highest degree is 3. So it is cubic polynomial. Next one, y plus y square plus 4. Once again listen, y plus y square plus 4. Yes, it is quadratic polynomial. Y square plus 4. So highest degree is 2. Quadratic polynomial. 1 plus x. Yes, it is linear. So the power is 1. Okay, that is linear polynomial. Next to 3t. 3t. Okay, here the power is 1. So it is linear polynomial. R square. Square means 2. It is quadratic polynomial. 7x cube. Cube means cubic. That's it. Okay, children. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Next we'll move on to the exercise 4.2. Find the value of the polynomial. You have to find the value of the polynomials, children. So I'm writing the expression 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at, so x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. Here you have an expression. Okay, so x, what is the variable here? X is there and highest power is 2. Okay, so what you have to do now means, here they have given the values of x. Okay, so x values now substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು you have to find the values. Okay, children. Now first one, what is x is equal to 0? So wherever you have x, substitute the value of x, children, that is 0. Okay, now 5 into 5 into what is value of x here? That is 0. Okay, put minus sign as it is. Write 4. X is 0. 0 square is nothing but 0 itself, right? No, plus 3. Okay, that is equal to 5 into 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Minus 4 into 0. That is 0 plus 3. What is the value of the equation? That is 3. Okay, when you substitute the value 0, then we got the answer 3. Okay, children. So f of 0 is equal to 3. Next one, 5x minus 4x square plus 3. What is the value here? X is minus 1. Okay, children. Now I'll substitute the value. F of minus 1 is equal to 5 into x is minus 1. Okay, write minus as it is. 4 into what is x square? That is minus 1 square. Okay, children, here you are writing negative number. So I have used bracket. Okay. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಆಗ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಸರಿ. 4 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು -1 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೈಟ್ 3 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. 5 ಇಂಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, 5 into -1 is -5 minus 4 into -1 square. What is -1 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? -1 ಅನ್ನ 2 times multiply ಮಾಡಿ. First multiply the signs. Minus into minus is plus. 1 into 1, that is 1. Okay. Product of two negative numbers is positive. Plus 3 minus 5. So minus 4 into 1, that is -4. So while solving the equations, okay, you should observe the signs, children, carefully. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, signs ಅನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now -5 -4 plus 3. So -5 -4 both are negative number. So I'm going to add right now. So that is -9 plus 3. That is equal to, so minus and plus. You should subtract right now. 9 minus 3 is 6. Big number has minus sign. So I will put minus sign. That is -6. F of -1 is -6. Next one, x is equal to 2. Okay, for the same equation, I will substitute the value. X is equal to 2. 5 into, right, x is 2 minus 4 into, what is x square? X square means 2 square plus 3. Same equation ge nanu illi x place alli 2 hakidini. 5 into 2, 10 minus 4. 2 square andre ಎಷ್ಟು? 2 square andre you should multiply 2 times. Okay, power ಎಷ್ಟಿರತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು number of times ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬೇಸ್ ನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. 2 2s are 4 plus 3. 10 minus 4 4s are 16 plus 3. Okay, children. First you can add positive numbers. After that you can subtract 16. No problem. ಹೇಗ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Okay, I will write 10 plus 3 is 13 minus 16. That is equal to, so you are subtracting big number from small number, right? It is -3. Yes. Next one. Second sum. P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. Okay. So you have to find the values of P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. Okay. First, P of 0, children. Substitute the values for y. Here, which is the variable here? Y ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇಸ್ y. So substitute the value for y. So y square. What is the value of y here? In first case, it is 0. I am substituting 0 here. Minus y is 0 plus 1. Okay. 0 square is nothing but 0. 0 plus 1. That is equal to 1. Okay. This is the answer. P of 1. Now I'm going to substitute 1 in place of y. Y square is nothing but 1 square minus y andre 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1 minus 1 plus 1. You can cancel minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. Answer is 1. Okay. Now, so in both the cases, we have got one answer right now. P of 2. What is y square? That is 2 square minus y. Write 2 plus 1. 2 square is 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2. That is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And the next one, P of t is equal to second one, P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Okay, P of 0, that is equal to, so what is the way, which is the variable here? T. Okay, we are having only t in all the terms. You have to substitute 0 in place of t plus t place only 0 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, plus 2 into t is 0, so 0 square 0 cube, that is equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 is 0 minus 0, that is answer is 2. Okay, P of 1, that is equal to t place only 1 haki plus 2 into t square and 1 square minus 1 cube. Okay, 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square is nothing but 1 itself, right? No, 2 into 1, that is 2 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, cancel ಮಾಡಿ. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, 4 is the answer. Next, third one, P of 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 into t square. Write 2 square in place of t square minus t cube andre 2 cube. That is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square andre 4. Alva? So minus, what is 2 cube? 2 cube is nothing but multiply the base. How many times? Yes, 3 times. Power is 2. So multiply 3 times. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Okay. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Alva? 4 2s are 8 minus 8 plus 8 minus 8 cancel. Answer is 4 children. Okay. We'll see the next one. Third main. First one, P of x is equal to 3x plus 1, where x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, so P of x place only minus 1 by 3 ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Okay, so how can you write this? 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So I can cancel, you can cancel 3 and 3. Okay, 3 gets cancelled, 3 ones, 3 ones. Okay, that is equal to 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So that is 0. Okay, children. Next, second one. P of x is equal to 5x minus pi, where x is equal to 4 by 5. So what is the value of x, children? 4 by 5 ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. 5 into x value ಏನು? 4 by 5 minus pi ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Now ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 5 ones 5 ones. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ what is remaining here? 4 minus pi. Okay, so this is your answer. Yes, you have to say, sorry children, you have to write whether it is 0 of the polynomial, the value of x is 0 of the polynomial or not. Already I have told you which value of x is making the equation 0. Alva? When we substitute the value of x and write 1 by 3 in the equation, we are getting the value 0. So it is 0 of the polynomial. Okay. What about here? We are not getting 0. Alva? So it is not 0 of the polynomial. Okay. The value is not 0 of polynomial. Okay, children. Next one, third one. P of x is equal to x square minus 1, where x is equal to 1. So what value of x makes the equation 0? Okay, let us see. P of 1, x is equal to 1, substitute ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. Let us say will we get 0 answer? Okay, value of x is 1. That is 1 minus 1, 0. Yes, we are getting 0. So the value of 1 is 0 of the polynomial. Now let us see minus 1. Okay, P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole square. So x square plus only minus 1 square hakidini. Minus 1 square is nothing but already I had told you product of two negative numbers. Minus into minus is plus. 1 into 1, it is positive number. 1 minus 1, again it is 0. So both the numbers are 0 of the polynomial. Next one. P of x is equal to x plus 1. That is fourth one. X minus 2, where x is equal to minus 1 and 2. Okay. Let us substitute minus 1. Okay. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1. Write minus 1 in place of x, children. Minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1, it is 0, right? Into, what is minus 1 minus 2? Minus minus both are negative numbers, so you have to add. Alva? So minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3. But minus 3 into 0 is 0. Yes, we are getting 0 answer. The value of minus 1. It is making the equation 0. It is the 0 of the polynomial. Next one, P of 2. write 2 in place of x. Okay, 2 plus 1, 2 minus 2. That is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3 into 2 minus 2 is 0. Again, we are getting 0 answer. So the value 2, it is 0 of a polynomial. In both the cases, we are getting ಎರಡು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So both the values ಅಂದ್ರೆ -1 ಮತ್ತೆ -2 ನಾವು 0 of a polynomial ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Next one, children. P of x is equal to Lx minus m, where x is equal to minus m by L. Okay, here they have not given the number. So, itara fraction kottidare. Let us see how to do. So, P of minus m by L. Okay, that is equal to. So, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. L place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು, x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Write L as it is. In place of x, I'm going to write minus m by L. Okay, children. Next, plus m. Okay. See why I'm writing into ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, if there is no any sign between the variable or constant and variable, you should write multiplication sign. Lx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಥ? L into x ಅಂತ. Okay. So that's why I'm writing L into minus m by L plus m. So you can L and L gets cancelled. Minus m plus. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಿದೆ? L cancel ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ? Minus m ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. So I have written here. Write this plus m here. Okay. Plus m minus m gets cancelled. It is 0. Okay. So the value x is equal to minus m by L is the 0 of a polynomial. Next one. P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1, where x is equal to 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. So they have given square roots. You have to substitute the value in place of x. Let us see first one. P of 1 by root 3. Okay, children, write 3 as it is. ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ವಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? 1 by root 3 ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. And write this square as it is, minus 1. Okay. 3 into. So how can you write this, children? Can I write like this? Root 3 square anta bariboda? Yes. Okay. So square is related to both the numerator and denominator, alva? So 1 square anta baritivi, next to root 3 square anta baritivi. Here 2 cancel with square root. Nimge gottide, alva? 3 into 1 by square matte square root cancel aaytu. So it is 3 minus 1. Again 3 ones, 3 gets cancelled. 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So we are getting 0 answer. So the value of x, that is 1 by root 3, is the 0 of polynomial. Now substitute 2 by root 3, children, for the same equation. P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. Okay. Now what is the value of x here? 2 by root 3. That is equal to 3 into x plus only 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1, 3 into, so whole square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? The square is related for both the numerator and denominator. So I can write it as 2 squared by root 3 square. Okay, now children, minus 1. That is equal to 3 into, what is 2 square? It is 4. So 2 cancel with square root. So I will write 3 minus 1. That is equal to, again you can cancel 3, 3. What is remaining here? 4 minus 1. That is equal to 3. So we are not getting 0. So the value of x, that is 2 by root 3, is not the 0 of polynomial. 2 by root 3 is not the 0 of a polynomial. Yes. We'll go to the next main. Next main, fourth one. It is find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. So they have given equation, children. You have to find the value of x here. Okay. So which ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು already which value of x make the equation 0. See, if you see the equation, so when it will be 0, children. Okay. If you see the equation, you can say what is the what you can be written here. ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? So here we are having plus 5 ಅಲ್ವಾ? plus 5 ಇದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Yes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ -5 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? -5 plus 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So the value is -5. So ಆ ತರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ sometime trial and error method ತರ 1 by 1 ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು you can substitute and solve the problem. Okay. Yes. Now the equation is P of x is equal to x plus 5. While finding the 0 of a polynomial P of x, to solve the equation, we have to write P of x is equal to 0. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನ 0 ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ 0 ಆಫ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? the equation equate to 0 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. That means x plus 5 is equal to 0 ಅಂತ. Okay. Now you know how to solve this, right? No? So it is equal sign ಗೆ x plus 5 is in left hand side and 0 is in right hand side. Okay. Equal sign ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು x plus 5 is in left hand side, 0 is in right hand side. So what you have to do now? You have to find the value of x here. Okay. So what I'm going to do now? I'm shifting this plus 5. So you have to shift along with the sign, children. Plus 5 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So you are shifting this 5 or you are transposing into right hand side. Children, one thing you should keep it in your mind. When we transpose the terms from right to left or left to right, okay, the signs will be changed. Okay. You have to change the sign of the number. Now it is plus 5. You are transposing into right hand side. So in ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? You have to change the sign ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. Plus 5 becomes minus 5. Okay. That is equal to equal sign ಗಿಂತ right side equal sign ಗೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So it will become, so what you have in right hand side 0 ಇದೆ. If you transpose into right hand side, it will become -5. Okay children, now it is x is equal to -5. ಆಗ್ಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ -5 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So this is the way how to find out the value of x children. Okay, equal to 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, then you will get the value of x. Okay, so -5 is the 0 of a polynomial. Let us see the second one. P of x is equal to x minus 5. Okay, I think now you can say the answer directly alva. So -5 cancel agbekandre, so en madbeku, which value will you write here? Yes, +5 alva. +5 baradre enagutte, +5 -5 andre 0 barutte. Yes, how to do that? So equal to 0 madಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to, so what do you have to do now? You are transposing -5 to right hand side alva. It is -5. If you shift it into the right side, it will become +5. Okay, what is the value here? X is equal to 5. Okay children, so 5 is the 0 of polynomial. Next one, P of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Now equal to 0, 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now, so write 2x, what do you have in left hand side? 2x plus 5, it is in left hand side, 0 is in right hand side alva. We are transposing +5 to right side. Write this 2x as it is in the left. Shift +5 to right side. Enagutte? 0 as it is in the right. +5 na shift madidre -5 agutte. Now, so 2x is equal to -5. Now you need only x here, right? Okay, write x as it is in the left. Now you have to shift this 2 to right side. What happens? Will it become -2 or +2 or in ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Okay, listen children. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Now there is plus sign between the variable and the constant. There is plus between variable and the number. So ಈ ತರ sum ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? So already I have told you, you have to you will change the sign and you will write alva. For example, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here also same like previous step, you have to change the sign. So here you will write +2 alva. 0 plus 2 ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ. Now there is no plus or minus here alva. There is no plus or minus between the variable and the number constant. So ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ, you will write as it is x, 0 as it is in the right, 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ multiply ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 2 is multiplied by x. So ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? It comes to denominator. Okay children, so it is a numerator, it comes to denominator. ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, right side ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? Divide ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Okay children, and one more concept. If it is x by 2, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Here 2 is multiplied with x, here it is dividing by 2. x ಅನ್ನ divide by 2 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? It will come to denominator. ಈ transpose ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ division ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆದಾಗ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಫ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಆರ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಸೈನ್, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್, denominator becomes numerator. So it is x is equal to 0 into 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 by 2 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 into 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬೈ ಆಯ್ತು, ಬೈ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಂಟು ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now come to this. So I will write -5 as it is in the right. So here there is multiplication sign between the variable and the constant, right? So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ, it is a numerator, it comes to denominator. Okay, x is equal to -5 by 2. This is the value. -5 by 2 is the 0 of a polynomial. I'll do one more sum. P of x is equal to ax. Okay, now equal to 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now write x as it is in the left, 0 as it is in the left. ಏನಿದೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. x is equal to 0 by any number. 0 by 0 is nothing but 0 itself, right? No, 0 by any number andre the value is 0 itself. So it is the 0 is the 0 of polynomial. In place of x, if you write 0, a into 0, that is 0. So value ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? And see the last one. P of x is equal to cx plus d. Okay, now I'll write c equal to 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now write this expression as it is, children. So I am shifting this plus d to right side, it will become minus d. Now x is equal to minus d. So here ಏನಿದೆ, multiply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. If you transpose into right hand side, ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, it will come to denominator, divide ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Okay na children? So this is the value of x that makes the equation 0. Yes children, so till here we have done till 2. We had to start 2.3 in the next class. Hope children you have understood all the concepts. Keep practicing at home. Okay, we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.